Enabling two-factor authentication on YouTube TV adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account. YouTube TV uses your Google account for authentication. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once signed in, click on the Security tab located in the left-hand menu. This section contains all the security options available for your account. Step 3. Find two-step verification. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section. Look for the option labeled Two-Step Verification and click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Start the setup process. Click on the Get Started button. You may be prompted to enter your password again for verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Step 5. Choose your verification method. Select your preferred method for receiving verification codes, such as via text message or an authenticator app. Complete the setup by following the prompts to finalize the process. Now your YouTube TV account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Make sure to keep your verification method accessible to avoid any login issues in the future.